You find me at church, but that don't mean I can't cause trouble. Stir up a little scene, cause isn't that what you want? For me to mess up so you can dress up some story saying, oh, this will sell more records. But I'd rather make them yawn than be a pawn on your chessboard. So call me boring, call me cookie cutter, call me what you want. A matter of fact, just say it loud and don't just stutter. Cause I know who I am, yeah, I'm still the same. Just a California girl with big dreams, thinking maybe they'll let me sing songs about real things.
Home, cause I was doing better alone when you said hello. I knew that was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home. Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could bring? You said not to be, not to feel. Oh.
Making the most out of my time at LaSalle was the best thing I did for myself. From my vocal and performance to my academic lecturers, from the immense amount of performance opportunities to the consistent support and encouragement from my peers and coaches. I got to make so much music with the people I love. Learned so much about myself and about how to get through hardships and just simply to be better. I've taken away so much from my time at LaSalle, and I'll forever be grateful and thankful that I got to be part of this incredible university that taught me almost everything I know about myself and my music.